Hello. Hi. Sorry, it's a little bit late right now. Today is a special day. Today is a special day, and it's actually my birthday. I thought of giving a miss and just enjoy my birthday, but I just didn't want to lose this streak. So let's get to it. If you're new here, my name's Isaac, and I am the founder of MetaWatchies. Now, just here's a quick shout out to what I do and what my team and I do. We are we start we kind of are like a consulting company, but we want to start this NFT project first. And in this case, from our name, Meta Digital Consulting, we want to do a digital asset NFT. What this all means is that you collect our NFTs and you'll be able to get a physical watch from this, and this watch is tagged to an NFT, which allows you to track ownership, authenticity, and we just want to create this technology for other use cases. And this is kind of like our breeding ground for new projects. And yeah, the first one is MetaWatchies. Now on to what we are doing in this stream. It might be a little bit confusing for people thinking, what's this guy doing every day over here talking? Now every day there are a lot of projects being listed and going live. And what we do here is look at what so sorry, had to cough. So what we do here is review projects that are launching in the next 24 hours. I'm a little bit late today, so it kind of eats into the next day, June 19th. But right now we're just focusing on the 18th of June, projects that are launching in 18th of June. What we would do is look at websites, look at their roadmap, their tokenomics, to see if it makes sense and whether or not I like it. Now, before I start anything, this has to exist in a lot of these videos. A disclaimer that this is just for educational purpose only, and whatever I say should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research, and also to all of these projects that I would have mentioned or will mention, I'm not trying to shield them. Neither am I trying to cause any fear, uncertainty, or doubt to any of them. So if that's just my introduction, I guess. And so just give me a second, bear with me. What I need to do now is what I need to do now is link this live to the Discord, which I should have done from the start. So speaking of Discord, I would like to invite you guys to our Discord. We are a really small group of, I think, just a little under 20, and I think we just crossed 20, but it's a small number, and would love for you guys to just join us and come chat with me. Okay, right, let us begin with all the introductions being said, disclaimer said, and yeah, Pizza Headz, it's our first one. So you have a lot of text here, so just give me a second, let me just give a quick glance. It seems like they are making a music album. That's really cool. Are they using Audius? I'm not too sure. Okay, so it's a team of 5, and that seems to be all. Okay, let's click on the roadmap. Overall, I think their website design is pretty nice right now. I like that it's there's some theme going on, black and white, a little bit. The colors come in only when they try to show their artwork, so it really like pops up to me. And then yeah, okay, let's just see roadmap. I guess they're only going to show phase 1 right now. This is kind of like a hit and miss kind of thing. We see projects that do really well, give this kind of for the lack of the better word, half-hearted roadmap, not full-fledged, just phase one. Yeah, it's like kind of like a join us for the journey kind of roadmap. But that's just first impressions, and that's I'm not saying that Pizza Headz is lackluster or anything. We have to read. Okay, so another thing I realized that there's this extra spacing here. Wondering what's up. Okay. Okay. Just in real life pizza parties sounds fun. If you're going to go party, we need to dress like it. Merch. I mean, you can't argue with this, right? And then they have music. Okay, so this is this part of the music one as well? Yeah, I guess. Okay, so it's a community-based NFT. They want to have so they're staking as well. Alright, so if they're staking, there should be a DAO, and then if merch, probably you use the tokens that you earn from staking to purchase those merch and stuff. To me, if you have all of this, you should at least have a white paper. Your followers deserve at least that much. So I feel that more could be done. And I think if we were to increase our standards a little bit more, this would definitely not cut it. But there are a lot of projects that are worse than what we're seeing right now, and that's not to say that they're bad. They do have a lot of utility and features. It's just that it's not well elaborated, and right now I'm also only looking at their website. Perhaps their Discord channel has more information, and they interact more and explain more to people. Yeah, so right now, initial impressions, not so great. I wish that the roadmap could be better elaborated, add some pictures here and there, and also the spacing here. Let me just see. So this is just one space. Yeah, I see there are two spaces here, which yeah, it probably could fix immediately. And other than that, yeah, a white paper to explain further. But hey, maybe this is not an NLP all, right? This is just me nitpicking. As long as you have great marketing, people like you and people trust you, the project would sell out. So I just am not too sure right now. Yeah. Okay, let's just see the next one. Gambling chimps. Okay. Community-owned casino project. Alright. I think we've seen something similar before. Let me see. Yeah, I think we've seen this before. This is interesting, and usually for those that we have seen before, I tend to skip it, but I just want to include some learning points here. This ownership of casino thing is really, really great for the holders. I'll say just the good points first. It's really, really great for the holders because we all know the house always wins money, and this would mean that the community will always win money. That being said, from a legal standpoint, I'm not too sure how this would go. I mean, I think they probably will be utilizing their own tokens for betting purposes, and I don't think real money will be involved for legal purposes. And you could probably take the token and exchange it somewhere in another swap, and just swap it for Sol, and then from Sol you withdraw your Sol. But I think in the casino it's probably their own tokens, just to just for them to be safe. And yeah, I do like this. It's like a what do you call it, a bookie? I'm not too sure. It's just it's some real life betting stuff going on. So you have the UFC, NFL, football, NBA, and soccer. So that's pretty cool. Parties, merchandise. You always will see merchandises. Physical collectibles, always cool to me. We are metaphysical, right? And to us, we think that we as in the company is anything that has a physical aspect to the project is always very interesting to me. And if they even are able to tag an NFT to it, even better. Now, let's just move on from gambling chimps. Next one, black governors. We keep seeing them. I'm not too sure why. We've seen it. If you're interested, just Google. I just search it in the YouTube search. Isaac NFT black governors. You'll probably find it. Let us move on to Frog Party. So the pre-sale is sold out. Congrats. You love to see it, right? You love to see a project that's able to do well. So it's a game. It's a jumping game. Oh no, it's just jump right into game. Okay, so you play, you earn, and you battle. There are mini games. That's great. So let's just take a look at the whitelist is. Wait. Oh, the whitelist is in Discord. How unfortunate. I don't really want to access Discord from here, and also clicking on the whitelist seems like the link has expired. I'm sure I could just click join Discord, right? But yeah, seems like, hey, what's this? Oh, seems like it's a dashboard for staking. Oh, there are two. Oh, you need to connect a wallet for the demo. I mean, I don't think I'll be playing it live. Yeah, at least not yet. I haven't really set up any wallets in this Google account. If you're interested, drop a comment. I'll do this. I'll set it up. I'll set it up one day, and then we can for events such as this. We can participate. Okay. Now let's just move on to the next one. So Frog Party, nothing too much to say there because we haven't really seen anything. But their website is really nice. I like it a lot, and I love that they have a demo ready now. Okay, wait. While we talk about them, let me just pull out their website so that it gives them more publicity. Some projects they this kind of play to earn projects, they want to get the mint money first and then proceed to build the game. But more times than not, those projects are rug and they probably won't do too well. But if their core team is able to build the game before even getting a single cent, it means it shows a lot of things. So first thing, it shows capability of the team to actually execute it before even needing money to do it. So that the team they're sound, they can do it. And then secondly, that they are going in hard. They're not just here to get get the mint money and then run away. They have already built it, so how do I put it? It's more sequential. It's more I call it Web 2-ish. Giving money to them feels when I say giving money, I mean like minting their NFT or buying from secondary market. Like it feels like the value is already there. You don't have to wait for the value to come. I guess that's the best way I can put it. Now let's just move on from this. So overall, Frog Party, really cool, really nice. The next one is Solana Glout, but then it doesn't have a website, so we would skip it. So now we are going on to good morning chimps. Oh, okay. So you're greeted with with a sunrise, of course. Good morning, chimps. Right. Hey, okay, we saw this before. So I remember Big Bob and Crystal. This is new. This wasn't here before. Wait, this is new. I remember they have like GM something. Yeah, I guess GM incubator and GM platform. I do like this incubator component though, because it allows you to, if done right, it allows a lot of ideas to mature, and it's kind of like it adds a lot of value to the community when you have projects that are very well established and have proper guidance to execute their roadmap. And then in their case, they have all of the stuff that you see around staking, mutation, metaverse. Okay, so another form of staking, I'm not too sure what adventure staking is. Item store, fusion, right? So I wish there was more to this, that I could click and for them to explain to me more. But it's also the same thing. Not not too much of information, just like last time. Oh, this is very nice though. I like the artwork here. Yeah, just not too. It's another vibe NFT, right? Just from the project. Maybe the Discord is much better, but right now it's kind of like a landing site, so to speak. Not too much of information. It's just a very quick overview on what they're doing, right? Okay, Fiat Fighters. Anyway, I think I did a check. Fiat Fighters, yeah. Metahunters. I'm not too sure why is this the case. We reviewed them before as well. Why are there so many projects that we reviewed today? It's basically, when you talk about staking an NFT, they take it literally, where you can bet it's on stake. You know, you get to bet your NFT with another, and engage them in some PvP battle, and if you win, you win their NFT. Right. Let's just. I think this is not. This is probably how rare is and their issue. So the link is probably wrong. Yeah. Okay. Creation. Taiga 10 T10T. Okay. Stonehead. Sold out. So they have a project that they already have a project, and okay, what's this? They already have a project that's sold out. So what this tells me is that they have creation. Sounds very familiar. Yeah, okay, but it's just, oh, another one, Federico GC. It's probably a football player, right? And then Tiger is here. Yeah. Okay, so he's I'm so sorry, hip hop fans. Yeah, it seems like he's a rap star. Okay, so I guess creation is kind of like a launch pad for projects. It seems like they work with renowned artists. Yeah. So I'm not too sure about what Tiger's project will allow you to have. Oh, it's actually in Ethereum, eh? It's not in. It's not okay. So wait, the collection of, okay. So the 10,000 collect. So the one of one is in Ethereum, and the mass market one is in Solana, right? I don't think that we have anything to view here though, because if you want to learn more, it's probably to join the Discord. But hey, a big superstar, you know, it's probably gonna be fully minted. He has his fans. He probably has 10,000 fans ready to spend the money and mint the collection. So there isn't really much to talk about here. The, the success that comes from the project is by building a name for yourself beforehand, and then selling NFTs using the brand that you have already built. So really there's not too much to talk about. And even if the roadmap is not too good, it still would sell out, and just because of how prolific the person is. Okay, now I think we have the last one, Narentines. Okay, so this, why is this TBA? Not too sure why, but let's just move. I like that this is kind of like a treasure map, right? Yeah. Let's just move and read. So you have your minting, then you have your staking. I guess this is the roadmap. You have your staking, then rates. Okay, go on rates, and then what? Okay, let me read what are these rates. Okay, it seems like these rates are for you to earn goods, their currency. Right. Oh, did I press this? Oh, cool. You get to play around with this. Very, very nice. I think we can add this feature in for MetaWatchies as well. This is really, really cool. This is the first time I've seen it, and it's in a very simple and nicely presented. I like this a lot. Good job. Okay, they have a core team of 6. Man, I like the general aesthetic of this project a lot. And they even have their a light paper, not a white paper. Right, it's about their tokens. It looks like a storybook, huh? Actually, so it's a lot of words. I think this would look nice in an exhibition. So if ever there's a physical NFT exhibition, these would be like 3 panels where people could stand in front of it and have a good read on it. I would appreciate it. A white paper, but I mean, beggars can't be choosers, right? But a light paper, it suffices. It just making a light paper just shows like how serious you are in the project. And of course, you kind of want to write a good one. And looking at this, although it's just 3 pages, you can see that there's some effort with the fonts and the background images. Feels there's a lot of layers to this. Like it feels like a story. Although I didn't really read it, it's a little bit too many words. Right. So this project looks, on the surface, looks pretty good. Feature wise, they look normal. Okay. I think the roadmap doesn't shout too much of innovation or anything new. It's just good old mint, stake, and then use whatever you earn in your staking to purchase other things or exchange for Solana and stuff like that. So a lot of projects have been doing this, but Narentines probably has a more cohesive theme on their project. I mean, yeah, it's just very well thought out. At this moment, what I'm saying, if this was a launch day kind of, if this is what you present on a launch day, I think it's not enough. I think you need more. But I think whatever they're lacking, they don't lack that much. It's just an extra full-fledged white paper, and it would have sold itself to me. Yeah, but overall, I think their website is very, very well designed. For founders, I think if we can do something this cohesive at this part, some interaction in, oh, it's so good. Okay, I guess we have come to the end of this whole review session, and I'm gonna end it with this, but I just want to re-emphasize my disclaimer that this is not financial advice, and I'm not trying to cause any a fear, uncertainty, or doubt, or neither am I trying to shield any projects. But I always do this at the end of a session. What I usually do is put myself in a hypothetical scenario. Given a chance to mint just one of this project, the whitelist is offered to me. I have the funds to mint it. If I only could choose one, which project would it be? I'm really, really hard on projects that don't really offer white paper and further details on their website. However, I think today's projects really blew me away in a different way. Without the white paper, blew me away by the effort that they put in even before they launch. Frog Party had their game design up and ready. They have a demo for us to play even before it has sold out. Narentines hasn't shown and built anything, but the whole website is really, really nice. Okay, at first I thought it might be a very close match between these two, but after speaking it out and putting them side by side, it's a little bit clear cut, don't you think? I think Frog Party is a project that, if I had to pick one, Frog Party would be the NFT of the day, I guess. Okay, let's just call it NFT of the day, project of the day. Yeah, I guess Frog Party would be the project of the day. They haven't even fully minted, and they are already having all of these features ready at launch. So why are people buying into projects where they say, give us some time before we build it? I think we need to, as a community, choose projects that, when you mint it, it's ready. But look, initially it's fine, right? Because NFT was new, so people don't really know what's going on and what's going on where. And also the advancement in the Solana CLI, the capabilities of what the blockchain has to offer. When we first started, it wasn't so easily done, and as you progress, staking got easier. I mean, making a staking mechanic, it got easier. Creating a DAO got easier. So there really isn't an excuse to say that, oh, we only built it after the mint. Yeah, and that's the case for MetaWatchies as well. Our dashboard for our recipe system done. For minting, okay, so minting page, of course we have to do it, right? Also, right now we are building the technology for us to scan the physical watch and to look up on-chain and verify the ownership. So right now we're building it, and we haven't got a single cent yet. So I think projects should go the same direction as us. And no, not as us, as Frog Party. Frog Party came before us. Yeah, just build first and sell it later. Of course, it's kind of like a how do I put it? It's kind of like a risk that you have to take, because you de-risk it by explaining, like, okay, we'll start building only when we reach a certain mint benchmark, but a certain mint milestone, I mean, yeah. But then, if you don't go all in your project, then yeah, you're not showing some like confidence to the community. Yeah. Okay, I guess I'll just call this the stream, and well, I'll be back tomorrow again to talk about all of these other projects. And with that, this has been Isaac, and it's been a good Saturday for me. I hope you have a great one ahead, a great weekend ahead, I mean, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay.